The Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is everlastingly independent and who exists in everyone's heart, is very pleased with those who follow in his footsteps and engage without reservation in the service of the descendants of Brahmans and Vaishnavas, for he is always dear to Brahmans and Vaishnavas, and they are always dear to him. It is said the Lord is most pleased when he sees one engage in the service of his devotee. He does not need any service from anyone because he is complete, but it is in our own interest to offer all kinds of services to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. These services can be offered to the Supreme Person not directly, but through the service of Brahmans and Vaishnavas. Srila Narottam Das Thakur sings, Chadya Vaishnava Seva Nistarapayeche Keba, which means that unless one serves the Vaishnavas and Brahmans, one cannot get liberation from the material clutches. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur also says, Yashya Prasadat Bhagavat Prasada, by satisfying the senses of the spiritual master, one can satisfy the senses of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Thus, this behavior is not only mentioned in scriptures, but also followed by acharyas. Prithu Maharaj advised his citizens to follow the exemplary behavior of the Lord himself, and thus engage in the service of Brahmins and Vaishnavas.